And welcome back to another macro day here on Scriptcase by Jamie. And today, well, I have one of my favorite macros for you. And today we are going to dive into the SC set theme macro. And this macro is perfect for those dynamically changing environments, or those visual themes that you have available, or like those that you have stored and saved for yourself within your Scriptcase applications. Now, whether you want to switch themes based maybe on some user preferences, a time of day maybe, or special occasions and events, well, that is entirely up to you with this awesome SC set theme macro. It makes it easy and seamless for you to change how your platform looks from one moment to the next. Now let's explore how this macro can visually transform your entire project, platform, or even just single applications on the fly. Now, for sure, you have already understood the entire purpose of this awesome macro, and it has for a long time been one of my favorites. It allows me to dynamically change the environment, or let's say just how it looks, how it feels, how it reverberates through your entire platform for your users. And that is, of course, as a developer, I feel always very important to make sure that process flow and the look and feel is always good. So now, well, obvious the purpose then is to dynamically change the theme of an application. Now you can change the theme of your entire project by applying this macro within the correct applications, or when you start the applications, and so forth. And well, the choice is really yours, just as it is with the majority of these macros that you can dynamically apply as and when you please. So this is ideally used within applications to maybe offer your users some customizations within their interface, or maybe to adapt to some appearance that you require for maybe a better user experience, or even just for branding purposes, which is a very nice feature, because that meaning you can have multiple companies use the same platform but yet have a different feel, and that is of course very powerful. Now, how would you use this macro? Well, it's pretty simple, because we have the macro here, SC set theme, and yes, it allows us to switch between different predefined themes that we have configured within our Scriptcase development environment. So within our Scriptcase environment, we have here our application themes. Now, we have those that are available with Scriptcase, and we can save the ones that are there, modify and adjust and save and edit even more. And with that, we will then have the look and feel of our platform that we are wanting in some shape or form. And then with that, you can apply some extra CSS styling if you need to, apply a menu, apply some headers and footers, and before you know it, you have the look and feel that you want. And your themes are an integral part of that. And with this SC set theme macro, we can then apply any theme that we have stored. So here, for instance, I can say, if I have stored, say, the Scriptcase, I think it's Scriptcase, say 7, and so a little while ago, and then we're going to say black, and there was a Scriptcase 7 black theme that would then, well, that would now apply. Or of course, maybe I stored the theme as my theme, and now I'm going to apply that theme as and when I need to. And then I may have a black theme, so I may say it's my black theme that I have saved here, and then I can apply that as and whenever I need to. And that is, of course, the entire purpose of this macro, making it kind of quite powerful actually, if you think about it. So there are quite a few examples of maybe you would want to change the theme. So maybe at nighttime you would prefer to have the dark theme, and then well, you can change it maybe depending on the time of day, which is pretty awesome. And maybe you want to change it because maybe you've created something that you are using but somebody else is using, and then they want to have their own look and logos and themes and colors, and you know how it goes. And then you can apply that quite easily just by then giving them access to your platform and then having those themes available. Okay, so plenty of practical use cases, of course, for personalizing the user experience within the multi-user systems that I was just talking about, and even enterprise applications or educational platforms. Any of those could use this quite easily and improve the user comfort or customizations available to their users. That is, of course, entirely up to you. And that is, of course, also how you use the SCSet theme macro to dynamically change with an if else or maybe a switch in here, and then you can change it as you need. And if you found it useful, you know what to do. And if you didn't, again, you also know what to do. Now do, however, let me know if you use this macro, because as I said, it is one of my favorites. And I'm really curious to know if there are many other people out there that use this macro for one of the purposes that I have described, or maybe something completely different that I haven't even thought of. That would be great to know. And that is all, folks. And until the next video.